Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
You can certify a PDF using Acrobat. A PDF document is commonly certified when the creator of the PDF wants users to be able to make approved modifications to the document. When a user makes approved changes to a certified PDF, the certification remains intact. You can apply a certifying signature only if there are no other signatures within the PDF. Also note that certifying signatures can be either visible or invisible. A blue ribbon icon within the signature panel is used to denote a visible, valid certifying signature. If a user makes unapproved changes to a document, the certification becomes invalid. As the creator of the PDF, you can decide which changes a user can make. PDF certification is most helpful for managing PDF forms. To certify a PDF, open a PDF form in Acrobat that does not contain a signature, and then select the Certificates tool from the Tools Center. Next, click the Certify Visible Signature button in the Certificates toolbar. An informational dialog box appears. Click the Drag New Signature rectangle button in this dialog box to launch the Save as Certified Document dialog box. Read the information in this dialog box and then click the OK button. The mouse pointer turns into a crosshair tool when you hold it over the PDF form. Click and drag a rectangle within the PDF document to create a certifying signature field and launch the Sign with the Digital ID dialog box. By default, Acrobat fills in the information for the last digital ID that was used. You can select a different digital ID by choosing a radio button in the Choose the Digital ID that you want to use for signing area of the dialog box. After choosing a digital ID, click the Continue button. In the next step of certification, the dialog box displays the appearance of the selected digital ID. Enter the password associated with that ID if necessary. Choose the appearance of the certification from the Appearance drop-down menu. The signature preview appears in the preview area of the dialog box. If needed, select the I attest to the accuracy and integrity of this document choice from the Reason drop-down. Use the Permitted Actions After Certifying drop-down menu to choose which changes a user can make to the PDF. You can restrict the document so no changes can be made, let the user fill in form fields and apply a digital signature, or let users apply annotations in addition to filling in form fields and applying digital signatures. After making your selection, click the Sign button to launch the Save As dialog box to save the certified PDF. Many users add the word certified to the file name to distinguish this copy of the PDF form from the original PDF form. When you are ready to save the copy, click the Save button in the Save As dialog box. When you reopen the certified PDF, note that the message bar at the top of the PDF window changes to show that this PDF has been certified. If you click the Signature Panel button in the toolbar at the top of the PDF, you can see both the certification for the PDF as well as the changes a user can make.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.